This is my 82 Corvette collector's edition. Had a problem with the seat. The seat back didn't want to come forward on my driver's seat. So I'm going to show you what I did. There is a hinge, and commonly the inertia switch inside the hinge will get stuck in there. Sometimes you could oil them, and that'll solve the problem, but I've oiled it and it worked for a while and then it locked up again. So I'll show you kind of a temporary fix until you can replace the hinge. Okay, we got the seat here. I've got it taken apart. I'm putting some new seat foam. These babies ain't cheap, I'll tell you that. Anyways, I've kind of repainted the seat. But here's the hinge. And what happens is there's an inertia switch that goes down inside of there. And here it is here. Kind of taking the pieces out because they it gets where it jams up in there. So if anybody's having this problem, a new set of hinges is about $100. You can buy a new set of hinges. What I'm doing as a temporary fix, because I'm trying to get this done today, is I went ahead and just took a regular screwdriver and I broke this piece out of this hinge. So now it'll open and close the way it should. And when the seat is in the car, now there should still be a switch, inertia switch over there on that side. So now, you know, I'll be able to tilt it back and forth as I need to get to the battery or put stuff in the back of the car. But when the seat's sitting in the car, that stays back normally anyway. It's just kind of a safety thing in case you have an accident, because the seat's going to want to go forward, just the back of the seat, which really shouldn't make too much of a difference. But I am going to eventually get another hinge and replace it. But right now it's kind of a temporary fix. But for those of you that are wondering why this thing is jamming up, it's because of that little piece of metal right there, and it, you know, connects in right, I believe, inside here. And a lot of times when you have the screws tightened down, where this mounts on the side of the seat, it'll pull that in tighter, and that's what makes it jam up also. So anyway, excuse my blurry camera. I dropped my phone and cracked the lens, so I'm going to get a new one soon. But for those of you having that problem with the seat switch sticking, it's because of that little inertia switch in there getting stuck. And one, like I said, you could also try to oil it and see what happens, some WD-40 or something. And I kind of did that, and it worked for a little while, but then it started sticking again. So anyway, thank you guys. Like and subscribe. I'm going to try to do more videos and get better and get a better camera. Thank you and have a good day.